Professor, AI and DS Department, SNS Institutions. As a part of the curriculum, case study is one of the topic which content which is related to the learning system. As a part of that, we are here to present you a case study based on propositional logic from the unit 4. Propositional logic is actually a mathematical concept which was actually inbuilt in artificial intelligence. The use of propositional logic is nothing but any kind of process which is done or any artificial intelligence process will be dealt with mathematical formulas for the purpose of making the process and the statements to be made to be either true or false, or just to validate the process. We will be using this logical system, and that is the reason why propositional logic was introduced into the unit of 4 in this AI concept. So my students are here to present you a hardware-based case study, and we will be discussing you the pros and cons of the same topic. So yes, students, you can continue your case study debate.
Hello everyone, we are the students from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are here to present a debate on propositional logic. We are here of two teams, Team A and Team B. Team A supports propositional logic and Team B argues that propositional logic needs advanced system. So, propositional logic is a fundamental for many knowledge-based agent. Propositional logic allows the agent to make many decisions. So, for example, let us take control system. Propositional logic is a fundamental for many knowledge-based agent. It allows the agent to represent the facts of the world using true or false statement. So, before going to the case study on propositional logic, let us take an example: campus alert system from Harvard University. So, it represents 4 facts: P, Q, R, and S. Where P represents the motion is detected, and Q is for the door is open, and R is for the alarm is triggered, and S is for it's night time. So the rules are P and Q implies R, and S and P implies R. So propositional logic agents are simple, efficient, and reliable.
I'm Axel from the Department of AD, and I'm here to say the minus, that is disadvantage of propositional logic. I would say propositional logic is too limited for real-world agents. It cannot express relationship, quantifiers, objects and attributes, time and uncertainty, dynamic environments. There are some limits in this. For example, it cannot distinguish between students, professor, and interviewed. It can also express all unauthorized persons, that is, it may raise alerts. We can't handle the change over the time and exceptions. We know that complex AI requires lots of logic, like first order logic, model logic, probability logic, and fuzzy logic. Propositional logic is only suitable for toy agents, not real world agents.
I am here Murli. I am here to talk about advantages of propositional logic. We have agreed that propositional logic is not so advanced, but it is used in many real-world systems. Propositional logic is more fast, simple, reliable, and easy to correct the errors. It follows the rule based on if A and B are true, then C is also true. Which is used in closing an argument as propositional logic is still very useful because it is fast, simple, and easy to use. The error can be detected by the agents easily.
Propositional logic is suitable for fixed environment and safety system and embedded devices.
And I conclude that without flexible representation, these agents stay limited. For real world AI, these needs richer logic beyond these simple toy-like agents.
So yes, this was a healthy discussion. So this is how propositional logic is actually being evaluated. Actually, it has many concepts of in which it has to be dealt with artificial intelligence. So yes, it has some pros and cons, and that is why there is an advancement called as machine learning, deep learning concept, which was introduced in this artificial intelligence concept. So I guess that this discussion was useful for you people, and you understood. I mean, the topic which was discussed was able for you people to understand in an efficient way. As of now, thank you. Have a good day.